everyone, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ज्ञानशाला विद मस्ती। आज हम पढ़ेंगे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स एंड लैटिट्यूड्स। ये टॉपिक हमारे 2 वीडियोस में कवर होगा। मैं ऐसी एजुकेशनल और एंटरटेनिंग वीडियोस लाता रहता हूँ। अगर आपको ऐसी वीडियोस अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So, before studying the longitudes and latitudes, we will first study the globe. As we are not an astronaut and we can't study the earth as the longitudes and latitudes lie on the earth, so we will study the globe. So, what is the globe? A globe is a true model or the miniature form of the earth. So, there are various types of globes. Some are inflatable and some are pocket globes, and some are very heavy and cannot be carried everywhere. So, in the first photo there is an inflated globe. It can be inflated by air. In the second picture there are 2 small pocket globes. In the third image there is a very big globe, and in the fourth there is a de-inflated globe. Now, there are some various features of the earth which we study on the globe. Now you can see there is a line drawn on the globe which I have drawn, that is axis. This is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. This is the line on which the earth rotates, and our earth is tilted on this axis at 23.5 degrees. Now you can see there are 2 points on the top of the globe and at the bottom of the globe. They are North and South Pole. So now we will come to our topic, which is latitude and longitude. So why do we study longitudes and latitudes? We study them because of a question: how to locate a place on earth. We need certain points of reference and lines to find out the location of places. That is why we study latitudes and longitudes. They are certain points of reference and lines which are used to find out the location of places. Now I have given some examples of places that have their longitudes and latitudes. So like in Jaipur, it is 26.9124 degree north and 75.7873 degree east. So there are examples of Paris and Sydney. You can read that. Before studying our latitudes, we will study the equator, an imaginary line running on the globe that divides it into 2 equal parts. This line is known as the equator. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. We will also see this on the globe. As we move away from the equator, the size of the parallels of the latitude decreases. Now, this is the place where latitude comes. The equator is at 0 degree, and above and below that are parallels of latitudes. All parallels to the north of equator are called north latitudes, and all parallels to the south of the equator are called south latitudes. Now see this on the images. So you can see the red line is the equator, and it is dividing the earth into 2 halves. And you can see that on the globe also. Now let's learn the proper definition of parallels of latitudes. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. Important parallels of latitude. We will study 4 important parallels of latitudes. First one is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Second one is Tropic of Capricorn, which is situated 23.5 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Then is the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north of the equator and Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Now you can see all the parallels of latitudes on the map. First I have shown the Tropic of Cancer. Where the red line is drawn, that is the Tropic of Cancer. Now we will study which countries fall in the Tropic of the Cancer. The first one is Mexico, Bahamas, Mali, Niger, Algeria and many countries, and also India.
In many
lies
competitive
in
exams,
the Tropic of Cancer.
a question comes, name the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. So the answer of this is, the first state is Gujarat, second one is Rajasthan, third is Madhya Pradesh, fourth is Chhattisgarh, fifth is Jharkhand, sixth is West Bengal, seventh is Tripura and eighth is Mizoram. This is the Tropic of Capricorn. The red line you can see, that is the Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil, Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, Australia.
For this, you need a little imagination. This is the Arctic Circle. It is at the top of the earth. So, you can see there is a blue line. That is the Arctic Circle. Many countries pass through it like Canada, Greenland, Finland, Russia, etc.
In this picture already the Antarctic Circle is marked. The red line is the Antarctic Circle and the plus sign of red color is the South Pole. होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. ये है सारे पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड की पिक्चर. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं आर्टिक सर्कल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकन एंड अंटार्कटिक सर्कल मार्क्ड है. हम अगली वीडियो में इन जोन्स, इन पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड से रिलेटेड जोन्स पढ़ेंगे. और हम लॉन्गिट्यूड्स भी कवर करेंगे. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा और मेरे को कमेंट करके बताएगा कि आपको समझ में आया ना.